Hi and welcome. This is our plan for a lesson teaching about possessive pronouns. Possessive pronoun indicates possession. For example, mine, yours, hers, and theirs. The teacher is going to start the lesson by showing a short video clip to the pupils, explaining possessive pronouns. After the video, the teacher presents possessive pronouns in Swedish and show upon the similarities between Swedish and English regarding this grammatical structure. This by writing down the different possessive pronouns, both in English and Swedish, on the whiteboard. After the walkthrough, it's time for the first activity. The teacher gives the pupil different cards with sentences, with the possessive pronoun missing, accompanied by a picture of an object. The pupils are also given another set of cards that has different possessive pronouns on it. Then the children are supposed to connect the correct possessive pronoun to the correct picture. The introduction is expected to take approximately 20 minutes.
For the second part of the lesson, the teacher will divide the class into two groups. One group will be instructed to use iPads and the app called Possessive Pronouns. This app contains of different exercises with possessive pronouns that the pupils can explore. Group number 2 will do an activity where they sit in pairs and are given a sheet of paper. On these sheets, there are 6 pictures of different items. The pupils are to create sentences with each and every possessive pronoun. The two groups have 10 minutes to do their initial activity, and after those 10 minutes, they switch to the other one.
In the final activity, the pupils are asked to do a short test, serving as an evaluation of the lesson. The test consists of sentences with a blank space that the children are supposed to fill in with the correct possessive pronoun. This small test is expected to take around 15 minutes. If there's any time left, you as a teacher can do an oral summary on the content of the lesson. The test and discussion will take approximately 20 minutes.
For this lesson, these following materials are needed. iPads with app called Possessive Pronouns, projector to use for showing song and video, whiteboard, pencils, sheet of paper, and problems that might occur during the lesson is that the activity and discussion in the last part of the lesson isn't as time-consuming as planned. In that situation, it's important as a teacher to be flexible and have a backup plan with extra activities for the pupils who finish before 20 minutes. Since the lesson is very varied, it's also important as a teacher to keep the lesson under control and proceed in a calm environment in the classroom. This is important for providing the pupils with good learning conditions, also in the activities where the pupils are supposed to work in smaller groups. There might be students who are passive participants. To avoid this problem, the teacher should think about how to put the groups together so that pupils can help each other.
The pupils are to understand the grammatical structure of English possessive pronoun and how it's used when expressing ownership. They are to understand the usage of different possessive pronouns depending on who the owner is.
We have chosen to structure the lesson as mentioned, with varied activities in order to keep the children motivated and keep their interest throughout the lesson. Also, to express ownership is part of a child's everyday language, corresponding to their desire of expressing ownership of, for example, their toys. This makes them see purpose of learning this grammatical structure. The activities are also taught in a fun, creative manner, which makes the students learn more easy and without as much work effort.